What features should you mention? For OMGEXTRD Cordless Pressure Washer, Handheld Pressure Washer. Because it has interesting features, including cordless and portable cleaning tool. The OMGEXTRD Cordless Pressure Washer is a game changer, eliminating the hassle of water and power sources. Equipped with a 380-watt high-power pure copper motor and an upgraded 14mm nozzle. It delivers a maximum pressure of 900 psi and a flow rate of 2.2 GPM. It's perfect for light to medium-duty cleaning tasks, making it ideal for everyday use. Perfect for small to medium cleaning jobs. This portable power washer is designed for light to medium cleaning tasks like cars, driveways, patios, decks, grills, and outdoor tools. Unlike bulky, traditional corded washers, this model is more portable and flexible, offering quick startup and easy maneuverability. While the pressure may not match that of heavy-duty washers, it's a great alternative for those who need a lightweight, easy-to-use option. Compact and portable for on-the-go cleaning, designed for ultimate convenience, the OMGEXTRD high-pressure washer is ergonomically designed, lightweight, and easy to operate. No complicated setup is required, just attach the battery, fill the water bucket, and you're ready to clean in minutes. It's suitable for all ages, and the wireless, self-priming feature ensures you're not limited by power or water sources. Clean anytime, anywhere. Versatile nozzle for various needs. Equipped with a 6-in-1 nozzle, the OMGEXTRD Cordless Power Washer allows you to switch between 0 degrees, up, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, and shower modes to tackle different cleaning tasks. It also comes with a foam dispenser for deep cleaning of vehicles, making it a versatile solution for all your cleaning needs. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.